Hey creators! Are you using Capcut Pro or Canva Pro to make your content? What if I tell you, you are probably overpaying for them? Today, I'm showing you how to get the same tool for a fraction of the cost by switching to their Chinese versions. We are comparing Capcut versus Jianying, Canva.com versus Canva.cn. Let's jump straight in. Now, starting with Capcut. In the UK, Capcut Pro costs about £10.99 a month and $19.99 in the US. But Jianying, Capcut's sister app, made by the same company ByteDance, tailored to the Chinese market, but its Pro version only cost 59 yuan per month, about £6 or $8. That's up to 60% off. But here's what you should know. Jianying is completely in Chinese, so no English at all. It contains all the core features plus some extras, and sometimes new upgrades hit Jianying before they reach Capcut. But if you don't read Chinese or need to edit TikTok, Capcut is still your best bet. So if you can read Chinese or opt for a language challenge, Jianying gives you the same, if no more for less. Here's how you get Jianying Pro. Step 1. Go to Capcut.cn and download the desktop app. Step 2. Install and open it. Step 3. Log in using your App ID, unless you have a Douyin account, which is the Chinese twin for TikTok. Step 4. Upgrade to SVIP. It's just a different way of saying Pro. And pay with Alipay and WeChat Pay. Don't have either? There are many tutorials online, just go and check them out. From what I can know, Alipay seems to be an easier option. Pro tip, you do not have to upgrade before using the application. So just try the thing out and see if you like it. And that's it. You're now using a pro level video editing software for a lot less. Now let's talk about Canva. If you are using Canva.com, the Pro version costs around $13 or £13 per month. But on Canva.cn, Canva official Chinese site, it's only 30 yuan. That's under £3, more than 70% off. And for the first month, that's even half price for the current promotion. And here's how to switch to Canva.cn. Step 1. Go to Canva.cn and sign up. Step 2. Upgrade to Pro. Step 3. Pay with Alipay or WeChat Pay. Same deal here. If you don't have either payment method, just check out the setup guides online. And again, Alipay seems to be the easier option. Once your payment goes through, you're just unlocked the Canva Pro. But here's what to keep in mind. It's optimized for users in China, so the stock content are tailored to the Chinese market. There are fewer templates, graphics, and apps, and many of them are in Chinese. The interface is a bit different, and you will need some time to get used to it. And honestly, it feels a bit slower than Canva.com. Also, your Canva.cn account won't sync with your Canva.com. They are totally separate platforms. So again, same as Capcut, try it out first on the web before spending time getting payment work and fully switching over. So, should you switch? Here's my take. If you are cool with quirks and you know Chinese, or down for a language challenge, then yes, these tools are 100% worth trying. Same core features, massive cost savings. Let me say it again, you don't have to set up WeChat or Alipay just to try it. So make sure you test them out first before committing your time and effort setting up the payment. Cool, let's keep creating more for less. Drop any questions below or tips in the comments and help each other level up. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you like the video. See you next time.